This is a quick start guide to using our CWSC weight indicator pallet truck. Please note, this is a short guide based upon our own knowledge and is not intended to replace or correct any information in the official guide, which can be found linked in the description. How to calibrate our weight indicator pallet truck. This needs to be done on a flat surface with the pallet truck raised so that the spirit level is centered. Press the button labelled 0 reset for 5 to 10 seconds, until the display reads 0. Then, check the accuracy of the scale by using a known weight. Please bear in mind that this is a weight indicator pallet truck, showing only an approximated weight, usually within a 20 kg degree of accuracy. If you require a more accurate weight measurement, please see the second link in the description to browse our range of highly accurate weigh scale pallet trucks. How to use our weight indicator pallet truck. Make sure the scale has been calibrated before use. Turn the scale on by pressing the on button to see the weight shown on the display. For improved accuracy, only measure weights when the pallet truck is on a level surface. Only take weight measurements when the spirit bubble is centered. Have all loads centered in the middle of the forks. Ensure that nothing else is pushing down on the load. Always remember to take into account any additional weight on an expected load, such as packaging materials and the pallet itself. As when using any handling equipment, please ensure that you have first conducted your own health and safety assessment.